JuJu's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama JuJu crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey y'all, okay, this is my cute little farm journal I had made a while back. The wrapping is just the ribbon with the farm symbol on it. It is a book. I guess I gotta show you, I guess the measurements are. It is 5.5 by 8 1/4. The spine is, I think, like a half inch. Y'all know I would have to glue this thing down on the back. I would lose that. It looks cute wrapped because you can not use the ribbon if you don't want to use it, but I would seriously have to just I think it's cute, but I would seriously have to glue to the back. I would lose that bad boy in a heartbeat. Hey, that is Sweet Little Farm Journal.